friends, I am Asis Yaduvanshi. Welcome back to Imagegrafia.com. So today I will show you how to see the save Wi-Fi password. So this is our website. Here you can check all the contents we are providing on our blog sections. So now see the steps. So we will start a new command prompt. So here is the command prompt. You just have to click and run it as an administrator. So once it open, you just have to type net assets so that we can access whatever they mentioned in this net cell and go to this W line. So once you enter here, you can check what all the profiles or Wi-Fi you have used by typing this show profiles keyword. So once you type it, you can see these number of Wi-Fi I have used and their password are saved somewhere in our PC. So how to see which Wi-Fi having which password and all. So like I am accessing this OFO password. So just type so profile name is just nothing but your Wi-Fi name. So Wi-Fi name and key equals clear and hit enter. So once you hit enter, you will get all the Wi-Fi properties here, whatever there once you used it. So basically we have to worry about this security section settings, and here it is all the features which authentication they have used and cyber analysis. So there is nothing of our use. Just go to the key content and that's your password. So in this way you can access anyone's password, and any PC, any laptop, you can access their password. Thanks for watching our video, and in next